So either you believe that you can become successful in life, or you believe that you cannot become successful in life. Either way, you are absolutely right. And what if I tell you the person who is responsible for your success and failure is none other than you and yourself? The person who is responsible for your success and failure is none other than you and yourself. What do I mean by that? If you really want to understand this, I want you to watch this video till the end. So what's up guys, this is Piyush Patel, an upcoming author of the book called Superhero Next Door, and a fellow human being who always love to inspire and help people to evolve in their life. So why did I say that? That either you believe that you can become successful or you cannot. Either way, you are right. So let me try to make you understand with the help of my own life experience. So it's kind of funny that how I used to believe that what I can do in my life just 2 years back. I used to believe that my parents stopped me to follow my dream career. I used to believe that it's my financial condition which stopped me to gain the required knowledge. I used to believe my limited knowledge stopped me to teach others. My limited experience stopped me to inspire others. I used to believe that lack of English vocabulary knowledge stopped me to become an author. I always wanted to become an author, but because the lack of English vocabulary, it stopped me to believe that. And likewise, I just kept on living my life for 37 long years. I just kept on living my life with the help of this limiting belief, and I never believed that I can do something great in my life. I can achieve whatever I want to achieve in my life. I wasn't happy with my life, but that was the only positive thing happened in my life, that I was not happy with my life. I kept on asking questions. I kept on searching for the answers, that why I'm not able to live the life which I want to live. I kept on searching for the answers. And when I started my self-development journey, I took that leap of faith that I want to do something great in my life. Just 2 years back, when I took that decision, when I've started understanding, when I started searching for the answers, I found this answer which literally changed my mindset, which literally helped me to transform my life. Would you like to know the answer? Would you like to understand that which was that thing which has helped me to transform myself? The answer which I kept on searching, that why I'm unable to do the things which I want to do. The answer is the one and only person who is responsible for my life, the one and only person who is responsible for my success and failure is none other than me, myself. It was me only who was stopping me. It wasn't my parents, it wasn't my relatives, it wasn't my circumstances, it wasn't my financial condition, it wasn't my lack of knowledge, it wasn't my lack of knowledge about English vocabulary. It was me only who kept on stopping myself to live the life which I wanted to live. And once I realized, once I understand that it's me only who is responsible for my life, I have started taking responsibility. I have started become accountable for each and every action of my life. And with the help of my action, with the help of my responsibility, with the help of that accountability, I could able to transform myself into the person to whom you are watching on this video. And by taking that responsibility, by taking that accountability, I could become the person who now have a mission to build an army of 1 million real life superheroes by inspiring and guiding them to evolve in their life, because it took me 37 long years to understand this, that if you want to do something great in your life, you have to take the responsibility, you have to become accountable. And I don't want others to experience that poisonous taste of regret. So as I said, either you believe that you can become successful or you believe that you cannot. Either way, you are absolutely right. And for your failure, for your success, the one and only person who is responsible is none other than you yourself. And when I have understood this fact, when I took the responsibility of my life, I could become the superhero of my life. And I want you to become responsible. I also want you to become accountable for your life, so that you can also transform your life into the superhero life. So this is the message of the day. I hope it has added some value to your life. This is Piyush Patel, your superhero next door, flying out until we meet again.